Hey, it's Andre and it's another Friday flying update. I might actually get to fly this weekend. Yeah, fingers crossed, everybody. No promises, but the weather, temperature-wise, is looking pretty darn good. The skies are gonna be really overcast, the winds are gonna be really high, but I might get out to fly, and I'm going to try and do 3 reviews I've had on my bench since like before Christmas. From RC Moments, this is the Nano Talon, which everybody knows about. I just haven't even had a chance to fly it. Not even gonna worry about FPV, just gonna get up there, do some flights with it, and see how it goes. It might actually handle the conditions pretty good and be very visible in the sky. I don't know. For Motion RC, it's the TechOne, that's the ME, and of course the 900mm FPV wing, which my only concern with this thing is whenever I land in the snow is it's going to get all trapped inside. So I will have to go through it and take a really good look and see if I can land this thing pretty gently, or just add some tape or something. Otherwise, it looks like a fantastic wing. I'll probably just take all the FPV kit off it so it's just clear. And so this evening's task will naturally be to get all these aircraft checked out one more time, because it's been a while, and have them already set up to go. I'll probably take the Tundra out with me because it's already on the skis, and a couple other airplanes that are ready to go. And honestly, if I don't shoot any videos, I'm sorry. I haven't flown since November, and I want to fly for the pure sake of flying. Industry-wise, hobby industry-wise, haven't seen a whole lot of new stuff rolled out this week. I've got some cool stuff to talk about very soon, but I have to wait. I have to be good. I'm really excited about it. And otherwise, I've actually been going through the fleet and doing unthinkable things, like considering, do I, sell some of the demo planes I've had over the years, or just get them out, because I'm going to run out of space, and I really like to have some options as far as space for this year's fleet and stuff I want to try. And there are a couple planes that I just either never got along with, or I flew so infrequently that it's just time. And I'm sure everybody comes to a point in their collection of their fleets and the RC hobby where they change tempo, they change desires, and they go through that phase. Initially, I thought about storing a lot of stuff in the garage, but this year it was so cold that I'm like, what would be the impact on the foam and that with the temperatures being that cold? So who knows? 3D printing airplane is coming along. I actually didn't print anything this week. Throughout the week, I was just busy with real life stuff, unfortunately. So I will get back into that. I want to finish off the tail sections. But I have basically the fuselage ready to go, so eventually I should be brave and start gluing this stuff together. There are 1 or 2 flaws, and there will be some patching that will have to be done, because I'm like, all right, 12-hour print, I will live with the slight gap or whatever happened and just go with it and figure it out. I do have a part that's already been donated. Chris, who sent me the... Chris Gooden, who sent along the helicopter for me to enjoy the blade, which I've actually been flying, has donated an ESC to the project, so thank you very much, Chris. So next up will be a motor, landing gear, retracts, and so on. So I've got some ideas on what I want to get. I'm just waiting for those stuff to come back into stock and go from there. Obviously, the big thing is to get the fuselage together before and really evaluate the project. So the big next push, obviously, will be the wings and all that other fun stuff. So there you go. I'm Andre. That's Mystery. Have a great Friday. See you out flying. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. Hi.